Hello friends, welcome back and welcome to a new video on Lalbagh Botanical Garden. I will take you to the garden today. Lalbagh is the pride of Bangalore city. Bangalore city is known as the Garden City of India thanks to Lalbagh, Cubbon Park and thousands of other parks in Bangalore city. There are four main gates to Lalbagh. Today I am entering Lalbagh through the south gate, which is located in Lalbagh, Siddhapura. If you go before 9 o'clock, the entry is free, but if you go after 9 o'clock, there is a charge. You have to pay the entry fee, which is 30 rupees per person. Lalbagh is spread over 240 acres of land. It is maintained by the Department of Horticulture, Government of Karnataka. One of the main attractions of Lalbagh is the Kempegowda Tower, which was built by Nadaprabhu Kempegowda. It is located on a hillock and it is a national monument because it is a rock called peninsular gneiss. You can also enter Lalbagh through the main gate located at the Kengal Hanmantaya Road, which is located at Kengal Hanmantaya Circle, KH Circle. And if you enter through that, there is a nursery on the left hand side. And if you take right turn, you can go towards the glasshouse. The establishment of Lalbagh occurred actually in the phase-wise manner. There are several founders to the Lalbagh, and in fact it was initiated by Hyder Ali in 1760. Later it was developed by Tipu Sultan, and the modern Lalbagh that you see today is because of Dr. M.H. Marigowda, who is known as the father of horticulture in India. There are three ponds in Lalbagh, one main pond and two small ponds, and these ponds attract many migratory birds from all over the world. Another main attraction of Lalbagh is the glasshouse, which is located in the center of Lalbagh, and annually on Independence Day and Republic Day, Lalbagh organizes flower show which attracts lakhs of people from all over India and all over the world. Lalbagh has thousands of rare and unique kinds of plants and trees which are spread all over Lalbagh, and if you want to see some rare trees and plants, you can visit Lalbagh. bandstand in Lalbagh is very famous. Next to the bandstand, there is a petrified tree kept, which is a tree fossil that is another attraction of Lalbagh. In addition to thousands of plants and trees, we also have a cacti house. There are hundreds of varieties of cacti placed inside this cacti house. There is a bonsai park also, which houses hundreds of varieties of bonsai plants. I believe most of you have visited Lalbagh at least once in your lifetime. If you have not visited, please do visit Lalbagh and enjoy the nature. And for those who cannot walk, there is a facility. We have electric vehicles called Harini, and they charge 100 rupees per person. They take you for a ride for about 40 minutes and show the Lalbagh completely. Thank you very much for watching my videos. Please like, share and subscribe. We'll meet again in the next video with some other topic. Thank you very much.